to ITW 2025. I'm joined by Sarah Mills, Global Wholesale Managing Director at Telstra. Thank you for joining us, Sarah.
Thanks very much for the invitation. It's great to be here.
Asia Pacific is experiencing a major surge in data consumption. What's fueling this demand across the region and which use cases are leading the way?
Look, Asia is home to 60% of the world's population and also hosts over 65% of the cloud data centers. So there's also a very young demographic in the emerging markets, and that's fueling a massively rapid adoption of 5G, AI, IoT and cloud computing. And in fact, the region is set to reach around 1.2 billion 5G connections. So there's an exponential growth in the consumption of data, which in turn drives the demand for bandwidth and capacity. Use cases that are leading this are AI applications that require significant compute capability, 5G networking, IoT and the rise of smart cities. And in the more developed countries in the region, we are seeing a significant rise in autonomous vehicles, for example, driverless taxis, and also the delivery of more e-health and e-education services.
Telstra International has obviously got a strong footprint across key developed markets like Japan, Singapore, Australia, South Korea. Can you walk us through these presence in these markets and where are you seeing the most growth opportunities?
Yeah, sure. Look, Telstra International is a significant player in Asia Pacific connectivity.
Yeah.
And arguably operates one of the largest wholly owned subsea infrastructure and networks. So that is, for example, Telstra Endeavour, East Asia Crossing and C2C. So we are also the top foreign telco, handling and managing over 35 to 40% of all connectivity into South Korea and into Taiwan. And we're the top foreign owner of subsea cable infrastructure into the Philippines, delivering direct and diverse connectivity into this very fast-growing market. In fact, the Philippines is becoming a central hub for subsea cable connectivity, and we've just recently upgraded our SCA US cable there with 3 terabits of additional capacity to support the growth there. Our network supports advanced technologies of 100 gig and 400 gig transmission and includes backhaul, terrestrial backhaul in the Philippines, in Taiwan and in Japan. Beyond subsea and digital infrastructure, we offer satellite services via 60 satellites globally who offer access for our customers into underserved and remote regions. We have a significant local presence in over 30 countries with really strong regulatory and engineering expertise so that we can really support our customers navigating these complex markets. The growth opportunity is in expanding hyperscale partnerships. They are deploying infrastructure at scale and with speed, and partnering here enables us to deploy faster, giving faster build-outs and higher capacity.
And hyperscalers obviously play a key role in the region. How do Telstra International partner with them and what role do you play within that ecosystem?
Telstra International, we partner with hyperscalers such as Google on subsea cable projects, including the Central Pacific Connect project, and that enhances connectivity between Australia, Guam and the US. These partnerships are essential in accelerating deployment, and as I said, leveraging hyperscalers' scale and their speed means that we can create faster build-outs and increase capacity. Our role at Telstra International is to deliver resilient, scalable, secure and reliable connectivity solutions to the hyperscalers that then underpin their services of AI and cloud computing into the region. And Telstra's scale is absolutely crucial to the hyperscalers in accelerating their deployment, and we continue to invest, for example, in adding 800 terabits of lit subsea capacity, investing in our core, and also exploring new deployments of commercial models to meet our other customer growing demands.
And how do you see Telstra International's role evolving as more tech service providers and disruptive challengers enter the market?
So we offer a combination of subsea and terrestrial infrastructure assets. So that means that we're not just offering a route, we're offering an end-to-end connectivity solution.
Yeah.
And that includes cable landing stations, network operating centers, and data centers, amongst other infrastructure. We're also continuing to invest in critical infrastructure such as satellite ground stations and making sure that we invest in advanced technologies that increase capacity to meet our customers' growing demands.
AI has obviously been a huge topic at ITW. How is Telstra leveraging AI and integrating it into its network strategy? And how do you support the evolving customer expectations in the wholesale space?
We're using AI to also create a digital twin of our network. This is an accurate and virtual replica of the physical network. This again enables us to run network optimization algorithms and logics before we go live on the network. And it also enables our customer, in terms of customer use cases, to potentially run global deployment models to ensure that they meet their both their company and their compliance obligations, but also to optimize their networks before they go into live deployment.
Dana, thank you so much for joining us at ITW. I know you're extremely busy, and thank you for watching Capacity TV.